light as well. Okay, light as well. Okay, this is one more mark. Okay, so out of the 3 marks, you have already written for 2 marks. All right, now the third point can be two things. Okay, either you write a reaction, a normal reaction, and you're done with all the 3 marks, or else you can write the point ki the substance which which undergoes undergoes combustion combustion are called combustible combustible substances. All right. Okay, so this is one point that you can write, or you can also add a reaction, that is methane CH4. I've seen someone has actually written this. CH4 plus O2 is going to give me CO2 plus H2O. All right, and CH4 is methane. CH4 is methane. So you can add a 2 here, 2 here to just balance this reaction. All right, so this is, no, sorry, just 1 2 here only, no 2 here, 2 to 4 4, right? Okay, so just to balance this particular reaction. All right, so ये हो गए आपके 3 marks. All right, now you have to score 2 more marks. Remember, the list the factors. Okay, the factors, now write the factors. Okay, the factors which support combustion are. Okay, point 1, because see, this is a 2 marks question. All right, so what you can do is आप सिर्फ you can write oxygen, do not write air please. Oxygen. All right, क्योंकि एयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड is also there. Carbon dioxide actually extinguishes fire and not support combustion. All right, second is your ignition temperature. All right, third is your, anybody who can tell me what is the third factor that is needed? Fuel. Right, now tell me one thing everyone, मुझे 2 marks का आंसर लिखना है, and these 3 points, I'm just writing these 3 points. Do you think I can, I can get these get the 2 marks here, or the teachers sees this कि यार 3 ही point लिखे हुए हैं और 2 marks दे देंगे क्या? Yes, okay, there are many yes, there are many no. If I am the teacher, I will not give you, 2 marks here for just writing 3 words. All right, so what I'm going to do is, instead of this, how can you write a good answer? Okay, instead of this, how can you write a good answer? All right, let me show you. ठीक है, factors में first, very easy, just elaborate the point. Okay, support combustion are oxygen. Okay, point, oxygen is the component of air, is the component of air which is necessary for combustion, which is necessary, ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, necessary for combustion. Second, fuel. ठीक है, you can here write the definition of fuel. Okay, substance which are combustible, all right. Okay, example दे दो एक, one example can be petrol. All right, and at last third, ignition temperature. What is ignition temperature? Ignition temperature is the Here you can write, I have written a shortcut for temperature. Please do not use any kind of abbreviation or shortcuts in your answer. All right.